Good afternoon and welcome to the session number 12 from the playlist of basic mathematics for the NEET preparation. The topic is the product rule and the quotient rule in differentiation, and this session is in continuation of the session number 11 in which we have studied about the derivatives of some important functions. So in this session we will study about the product rule and the quotient rule. So let's first of all study about the product rule. So in the product rule, if there is a function, say y, which is equal to u into v, where u and v are two different functions, or you can say two different differentiable functions, then the differentiation of y with respect to x will be equal to u multiplied by dv upon dx, where dv upon dx is the differentiation of the function v with respect to x plus v multiplied by the differentiation of u with respect to x, that is du upon dx. So dy by dx will be equal to u dv upon dx plus v du upon dx if y is equal to u into v. And here u and v are two different functions which are differentiable. So in the quotient rule, if there is a function y which is equal to u upon v, and again u and v are two different differentiable functions, then dy upon dx, that is the differentiation of y with respect to x, will be equal to v multiplied by du upon dx, where du upon dx is the differentiation of u with respect to x, minus u multiplied by dv upon dx. Now dv upon dx is the differentiation of v with respect to x divided by v square. So these two rules, that is the product rule and the quotient rule, find application while solving the numerical problems from the different chapters in physics. So these are two important rules and needs to be remembered by all of you. So in the subsequent sessions, that is from this session number 13 onwards, I will be coming up with a few questions based on the product rule and the quotient rule. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.